Hello and welcome to our next class. I trust I've been able to get to this level that I'm in. Now what we want to do now is word divider. We want to get a design. Let me show you from our 2D view. This divider that divides the window all round. This is what we call word divider. So we want to put it inside our 3D model. So let's go back to the Revit drawing and see it. So we go to our ground floor. You double click on that ground floor. You now go to component. You see component on your left. You click inside that component. You see create in place. You left click on that create in place. You go to generic models. You click on generic models and you click OK. So when you see that one, you see now type in wall divider. So once you do that, you go to OK. From there you can see that you are already in that plane. What you need again is to go to this solid form. From solid form you see solid sweep. Solid sweep, we call it solid sweep. That's what we use for this kind of a thing. So from solid sweep you see sketch 2D part. It's telling us that the part that sweep will go to, we need to sketch it. So let's click on sketch 2D part. So you now go through it. Let's start from this corner. Since it's dividing it, we are starting from this corner like this. So make sure you zoom well so that you see the places you are clicking. So let's start from there. Right click and cancel, right click and cancel. So this is the part that sweep will follow. You will now say finish part. We have finished that. Now we need to edit how that sweep will look like. Edit, you go to edit to show you whether east or west. You can pick anyone. So let's pick east. So we now see it. You see this red thing showing us where it will be on our line here. But the issue that we now have is that we can now move our cursor to somewhere here to start, since it is a divider. So we can just start from the middle of the wall around this place. So now it's up to you, your discretion, to know how it is. I can say my own is 100 mm. The thickness shouldn't be more than 55 or 60 mm. So you just make the design the way you desire. You just do something that is suits you. And once you are through with it, you now end it. You make sure that everything